And now I will take the opportunity to invite Professor Mashuk Chaudhuri to speak 2 words for our encouragement.
Good afternoon to all of you. I will not take more than 3 minutes of yours to speak today. First of all, my heartfelt regards and pranam to all my colleagues whom I am seeing after a long time. I say pranam because they are all very senior people, and those who are not senior have been senior by now. I left this university on 7th of September 2015. I used to sit in this particular room after 7 years, 4 months of my stint as a registrar of this university. And after that, from 2015 to 2023, I did not come to this campus again, only because of Sri Vishwanath Chakrabarty, who is a very close friend and elder brother. I am here today in this particular function because I have great respect for the deeds and contributions of Professor Prem Chandra Chakrabarty. One day in Calcutta University Science College at Rajabazar, we were sitting side by side, Sri Vishwanath Chakrabarty and myself, and he said that he wants to start some endowment lecture in honor of Prem Chandra Chakrabarty, and he was approaching Sanskrit College. I said, what wrong did you do? Calcutta University is by your side and by the side of Sanskrit College. Why are you not coming to us? So then Mohd Ashutto was perhaps the head of the department. So I came, I see Ratnadi sitting over there, I see Didi sitting over here. So all these stalwarts, I said that there are many good teachers over there, why don't you come and start that? And from that time on, I came and told Mohd Ashutto, and after that, in the big office of Sri Vishwanath Chakrabarty, Dhansari House, there used to be meetings, and finally this endowment lecture came. The reason why this came over here is, the reason is people used to talk about industry-institute interaction. I thought, why Sanskrit department will be deprived of this kind of interaction? Here is an industry man, Vishwanath Chakrabarty, Sri Vishwanath Chakrabarty, and related to Prem Chandra Chakrabarty in a very intimate way. So why can't we get this lecture? So he immediately agreed, and that is how I have come to listen to the lecture. I am so grateful that 2 very distinguished persons. One is Vice Chancellor Professor Panda, the other is Professor Prajapati. They are very distinguished, and with them that I can sit today, that is something great for me. But the point is, I came to listen to the lecture, and I came to honor the friendship of Sri Vishwanath Chakrabarty. My respect to Professor Prem Chandra Chakrabarty. They set a very high standard in society so far as living life is concerned. We have failed in many ways, but the point is sometimes to remember them, and from time to time to pay respect to them. That is the only thing that we can do, and by doing that, if we can enhance the level of our living to some extent. So that is why I was here. I was surprised that I never thought that I would be sitting on the stage. No, that was not the purpose. I am also thankful to Mohd Ashutto, Professor Mohd Ashutto now, who was a student in my orientation program, came to be a colleague in this university, became professor and head of the department, held many posts. They are great persons. All my respect and pranam to all of you, all my students. I always say, Pitri Devo Bhavo, Matri Devo Bhavo, Acharya Devo Bhavo, Chhatro Devo Bhavo, Chhatro Devo Bhavo. My pranam to all of you. And thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much that you gave me this honor to sit on the dais. Please give me the liberty to sit over there so that I may feel more comfortable and listen to the lectures. Thank you very much.
And it is a ritual that the endowment lecture certificate will be delivered by the Estate and Trust Officer by this university to the speaker. So I would request Mr. Sanyal to hand over the certificate to the main speaker, and we'll be listening to his lecture then with a passion point. Please. We request our Estate and Trust Officer to speak a few words, since without his help, his active help, this endowment lecture wouldn't have been organized in such a short notice. Please.
এখানে অনেক বিভক্ত মানুষ আছে, তো আমি স্টুডেন্ট ট্রান্সফার হিসাবে মানে জাস্ট আমার দায়িত্বটা পালন করছি। আমি চাই আমাদের এখানে যারা বিভক্ত মানুষ তাদের কথাই আমরা শুনতে এসেছি, এইটুকুই, আমার কিছু বলার নেই। প্রোগ্রামটা খুব ভালোভাবে হচ্ছে, সেটা আশা করি খুব ভালোভাবে কমপ্লিট হবে এবং এরকম প্রোগ্রাম আরো হোক, এটাই চাই। থ্যাংক ইউ।